So you want to download the game Fellowship without overpaying on your PC? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how to download this game completely legally on your PC through official platforms without overpaying. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done this, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to the next step, and that will be downloading this game without overpaying. So quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over there, and search up the game Fellowship. Once you have searched it up, click on the game and open the game page, then scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, this game on Steam is €24.50. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is go to the video description. Click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game, Fellowship. Then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first, and once you have done that, you will find a PC version of this game. So we will scroll a little bit down, and as you can see we have the PC version over here, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Then you can select the game, and once you have opened the game page, then you will find out that we can already download this game for just €13.71 compared to the Steam price of €24.50. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!